Going to the emergency room for the first time.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a doctor.
Okay. What's the problem today?
My stomach, it hurts very bad.
How long has it been hurting?
Since maybe this morning, I think.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
Sorry, sharp? What is sharp?
Sharp, like a knife. Dull means heavy, pressing.
Oh, like a knife. Yes, sharp.
Good. I'll note that down. Any fever?
Fever, I don't know. Maybe.
That's fine. We'll check your temperature.
Is it serious? Am I okay?
We don't know yet. That's why we're here.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for my English.
Don't apologize. You're doing great.
Do I wait here or go somewhere?
Fill in this form first, please.
Form? What do I write here?
Your name, address, and date of birth.
Date of birth. My birthday, yes?
Exactly. Day, month, and year.
Okay, I can do that. Thank you.
After that, take a seat. We'll call you.
Call my name? How do you say it?
I'll try my best, I promise.
Okay, thank you, really.
Returning a broken item at a store.
Hey, welcome to TechZone. What can I do for you?
Hi, I want to return this.
Sure. What's wrong with it?
The screen, it is broken. Look,
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's cracked.
I didn't drop it. It just happened.
When did you buy this?
Last week. Maybe 5 days ago?
Do you have the receipt?
Receipt. Is that the paper? The bill?
Yes, exactly. The paper from the purchase.
Oh, yes, I have it. Here.
Great. Let me check the date. One moment.
Can I get a new one? Or money back?
You can exchange it or get a refund.
Exchange. What does that mean?
We give you a new one, same model.
I think I want money back.
Okay. Cash or back to your card.
My card. Yes, that is better.
Takes 3 to 5 business days.
3 days? Not today?
Sorry, that's just how refunds work.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
No problem. Here's your confirmation slip.
Confirmation slip? What do I do with it?
Keep it, just in case there's a problem.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Asking for help at the airport.
Excuse me, sir. You look worried. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need help. I think I missed my flight.
All right, take a breath. What flight were you on?
It is BA 209, going to London.
Okay, let me check that for you. One moment.
Is it gone? Did it already leave?
Yes, I'm afraid it departed about 20 minutes ago.
Oh no. What should I do now?
Don't worry, we'll find a solution. Do you have travel insurance?
Travel insurance. I'm not sure. Maybe I do.
Okay, can I ask why you missed the flight?
The subway was very slow today. I got delayed.
I see. Well, we can try to book you on the next available flight.
Really? When is the next one?
There's another flight at 6 p.m. this evening.
6 p.m. So that's about 4 hours from now?
Yes, that's right. Will that be okay for you?
I don't have much choice. Yes, that's fine.
There might be a change fee. Are you okay with that?
A change fee? How much will it be?
Around $150, depending on your ticket.
$150? That's quite expensive.
I understand. I'm sorry, but it's airline policy.
Okay, I understand. Let's go ahead.
All right. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go. Sorry for the trouble.
No problem at all. These things happen. Let's sort this out for you.
Calling a landlord about a problem in the apartment.
Hello, this is Tom. Who's calling?
Hello? It's me, apartment 4B. I rent from you.
Ah, yes. How can I help?
There is a problem in my apartment.
Okay, what kind of problem?
The water, it is not coming. No hot water.
No hot water? Since when?
Since this morning, maybe 7 a.m.?
Did you check the boiler in the hallway?
Boiler? I don't know that word. Sorry.
It's the machine for heating the water.
Oh, there is a machine? Where is it?
In the hallway, near the stairs. Small white box.
I can look, but I don't know what to do.
Just look and tell me what light is on.
Okay. Wait, please. I am going now.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I see it. There's a red light.
Red light. That means it's broken.
Broken? Can you fix it today?
I'll call a plumber. He can come tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Not today?
I understand. I'll try for today. No promises.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything I can do?
Use the gym showers downstairs for now.
Oh, there's a gym? I didn't know.
Yes, you've been here 6 months.
Oh no, I will go today. Thank you, Tom.
Getting pulled over by a police officer.
Good afternoon, ma'am. License and registration, please.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yes, here.
Do you know why I stopped you?
No, I don't know. Sorry.
You were going 75 in a 55 zone.
75? Oh no, I didn't see the sign.
There are signs every half mile here.
I am sorry. I am not from here. I am new.
Where are you from originally?
I am from Brazil. I live here now. 3 months.
Okay, is this your car?
No, it is my friend's car. She lent it to me.
Do you have your own driver's license?
Yes, from Brazil. Is that okay here?
For 90 days, it's fine. After that, you need a U.S. license.
90 days. I am at 85 days, I think.
Then you should apply soon. Just a heads up.
Yes, I will. Thank you for telling me.
I'm going to issue you a speeding ticket today.
A ticket? How much is it?
About $250. You can pay online.
Okay, I understand. It was my mistake.
Drive carefully from here. Speed limit is 55.
Yes, I will. Can I go now?
Yes, have a safe afternoon.
Thank you, officer. Sorry again.
Just slow down.
Yes, I will. I promise.
Opening a bank account for the first time.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello. I want to open an account here.
Of course. A checking or savings account.
Checking? Savings? What is the difference?
Checking is for daily spending. Savings is for keeping money.
Ah, okay. I think checking for daily use.
Great choice. Do you have your ID with you?
ID? I have my passport. Is that okay?
Yes, passport is perfect. And your address?
Address. I have a letter from my landlord.
That works as proof of address. Perfect.
Do I need money to open it today?
A minimum deposit of $25 is required.
Deposit. That means put money in?
Yes, you put money in to start the account.
Okay. I have $50. That is enough?
More than enough. We'll get started.
Will I get a card? A bank card?
Yes, a debit card. It comes in the mail.
How many days?
Usually 5 to 7 business days.
And I can use it in shops? Anywhere?
Anywhere that accepts Visa. So basically everywhere.
That is great. This is my first U.S. bank account.
Welcome. That's a big step.
Yes, I feel very official now.
You are official. Sign here and we're done.
Okay, thank you. You explained it very clearly.
Complaining about a wrong order at a restaurant.
Hey, how's everything tasting over here?
Actually, I have a problem.
Oh, no. What's wrong?
This burger, I ordered no cheese. There's cheese.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that.
Also, I said medium. This is very cooked.
You mean well done instead of medium?
Yes, well done. I don't like it so cooked.
That's totally our mistake. I'm so sorry.
Can you bring me the correct one?
Absolutely. I'll put in a new order right now.
Do I need to pay again?
No, it's on us. No extra charge.
Oh, good. Thank you. I was worried.
Can I take this plate back for now?
Yes, but the fries are good. Can I keep them?
Of course. Keep the fries.
Thank you. Sorry to cause trouble.
No trouble at all. This is my job.
How long will the new one take?
About 8 to 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine. No rush.
Can I bring you anything while you wait?
Maybe more water, if that is okay.
Of course. Coming right up.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Joining a gym and asking about membership.
Welcome to PowerFit. First time here?
Yes, I want to join, I think.
Awesome. What are you looking for?
I want to exercise to get more strong.
To get stronger, yes. Great goal.
How much does it cost per month?
Basic is $30. Premium is $50 a month.
What is the difference?
Premium includes group classes and a locker.
Group classes? Like exercise with other people?
Exactly. Yoga, cycling, boxing, all included.
Boxing? That sounds interesting and scary.
It's fun. You don't hit real people, don't worry.
Good. I'm not ready for that.
Can I sign you up for a free trial first?
Free trial? How long?
3 days. No payment needed.
Oh, that is great. Yes, I want to try.
And if you join, can you cancel anytime?
Yes. What if I don't like it?
No problem. Month to month. No long contract.
No contract. That is good. I like that.
Can I take your name and email?
Yes. Should I spell my name? It is difficult.
Go ahead. I'm good with names.
Okay. It is Khalid. Khalid.
Khalid. Great name. Welcome to PowerFit.
Thank you. I am excited and nervous.
Calling 911 for the first time.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? Please. My neighbor, he fell down.
Okay, stay calm. Is he breathing?
Breathing? I don't know. I think yes.
Can you see his chest moving?
Yes, I see it. It is moving. Slowly.
Good. Is he conscious? Is he awake?
He is not talking. His eyes are closed.
Okay, don't move him. Stay with him.
Yes, I am here. I am next to him.
What is your address?
It is
4400 Maple Street, apartment 12.
Denver, Colorado?
Yes, Denver. Please come fast.
Help is on the way. About 4 minutes.
4 minutes? Okay, what do I do now?
Keep him warm. Do you have a blanket?
Blanket? Yes, I can get one. 1 second.
Don't leave him alone. Can someone else get it?
My wife is here. She can get it.
Perfect. Tell her to bring it quickly.
Okay, I told her. She is going now.
Good. You're doing well. Stay on the line.
Stay on the line? You mean don't end the call?
Correct. Keep your phone on. Don't hang up.
Okay, I won't. Please hurry.
They're almost there. You're doing great.
I can hear the siren now. They are here.
Talking to a dentist about tooth pain.
Hello. Please have a seat. How are you?
Not great. My tooth hurts. Very bad.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth?
This one. Here. On the right side. Bottom.
How long has it been painful?
Maybe 4 days. It started slowly.
Does it hurt when you eat or drink?
Yes. Cold water is very bad. It hurts a lot.
That could be a sensitive nerve. I'll check.
Will it hurt? The check?
I'll be very gentle. Just open wide for me.
Okay. Like this?
Perfect. Don't move. Almost done.
Mm?
Okay, I can see a small cavity there.
Cavity? What is that?
A hole in your tooth from bacteria or sugar.
A hole? Oh no. Is it serious?
Not yet, but we should fill it today if possible.
Fill it? Does that hurt?
We use an injection first to numb the area.
Injection? In my mouth?
It's very quick. One small pinch, then nothing.
Okay, I am scared, but I trust you.
That's all I need. You're in good hands.
How long will it take? The filling?
About 30 minutes. Not long at all.
Okay, let's do it. Before I change my mind.